And me could be because it could be the surface. It could be that the surface has got better.
Hits him on the pad. Huge appeal for LBW. The finger has gone up. Farid Malik has struck. That ball cat low. 1 for 1 for Farid Malik. 2 for 1 the team.
Big wicket, really big wicket. The umpire took his time as he sent him on his way. That's fine. No problem.
Typically plays well in pressure situations. Slow bounce is coming back off the seam. So that would have gone on to hit the middle stump, middle of leg stump.
See, that's a concern. That ball stayed down. And the other thing is, Devinder, Siddique Athel has been in such good form. He was bound to drop one game. He was bound to fail in one game. He'll be disappointed that he's picked a very important game to fall cheaply. So 2 for 1. So that is stayed down, angle. That was heading in the direction of middle and leg stumps. I'm sure you can hear the ground.
Gets fine leg up in the circle. 4 runs. First boundary for the team Bande Amir.
The first Salurisa or the first Salur Mande? Which one?
Salur Mande.
Okay, Salur Mande. Right, he was not in control. He just took one hand off the bat. That was a bit of extra bounce. Yeah, he's a bit lucky. That could have gone anywhere. Off the glove, too short.
Driven handsomely straight down the ground for 4. Along the carpet. A majestic stroke from Hashmat Shahidi, the captain of the side.
See, this is what he brings to the table. Hashmatullah Shahidi, he wouldn't blast you. He wouldn't be hitting you all around the ground for sixers, but he can do this. Great timing. Just slight angle of the bat. Intentionally down the ground. Midon was a bit deep, but he couldn't stop it. Rahmat Shah, because it's a combination of great timing and a quick outfield. Beautifully done.
A marvelous ace bowling with the wind. Off the back foot. He likes this area. Square of the wicket on the offside. Stunning stroke from Hashmat. Fraction shot and he smacks it.
See, the introduction of Bashir Ahmed against the right arm fast bowler Samrast could be the point you made. This is short and wide, stood up, where Hashmat has this tendency to get out to left armers. But you also need to be bowling in the right areas. Yes, you can be a left.
Nicely stroked into the gap on the offside for 4. Piercing through perfectly. It's strength area for Hashmat. And he's been fed in his strength area. He's taking full toll on the bowler.
See, that's the length. Previous one was a square cut. This is a nice forcing shot off the back foot. Very intentionally played. Look how he rides the bounce. Gets it into the gap now. Backward point is out on the boundary.
Nicely worked. Third boundary from the over. He bowled 2 stunning deliveries and 3 stunning strokes from the blade of Hashmat. The contest is developing nicely. 26 for 1. Look at this. This fraction shot outside the off stump off the back foot. Beautiful stroke. I've seen some lovely square driving, square cutting skills of Brian Lara at the Swaiman Singh Cricket Stadium in the Champions Trophy in 2000.
चटको तो पाचों बरखे हम डेर गनीदा ओहो बेहतरीन शॉट
Lakadamar. Wow, what a shot. Sumra pazle pore. Auda lomde zalne de chimang Karim Jannat la bet sakata shot na guru. मशहूर दे पकड़ का चबान दे जन्नत बाले बैट खुद नूर है बिल्कुल देर ख मेडल शुदा कबाल دریم سټم نه راوخته، خاص مهارت غواړي، خاص پریکټس غواړي. ډیپ کې ساتل شوی خو فاین لیګ دننه دی. اوه ډېر ښه لافټډ بال د باونډري لاین په طرف ځي او څلور منډې.
درې ډګر ساتونکي د دغه توپ د رانیولو په هڅه کې وو، خو د توپ صورت چټک وو د څلوریزې لپاره د باونډري څخه د باندې. د کریم جنت مخه نیول د بوس ساتونکو لپاره اړینه ده. که کریم په ویشتم ځای پاته کېږي نو دا به د بوس ساتونکو لپاره ستر درد او د ناستو مینوالو لپاره د خوشحالۍ شیبې وي.
لږ څه د بیډ هینډل ترې تاو شو.
Half. That's the interesting point.
Wow, what a shot, Karim Jannat. He's going to hit a few. Another no-look maximum, 2 sixes, and those both have come against Bashir Afghan. Karim Jannat, who spent a lot of time out in the middle, he came to open the batting today, and how beautifully he is accelerating his innings. This is a beautiful shot. This is looking dangerous. Karim Jannat taking Noor on. This is in the gap. This will run down to the boundary. Another welcome boundary. Good start to the over.
See, one thing that we have seen in this tournament is that teams have looked silly after being in very strong positions as the way they throw it away. Yesterday, Bandeami Dragons were looking very good. This is 4 into the gap. Nicely played. It's to kick on and they got to bat deep. Asking. Oh, given. You were talking about a wicket and Noor Ahmed is the best man who could do it. He's such a good operator. He's a wicket-taking option, and that's what he's done for his team.
The mystery has unfolded as to who will break the partnership. Noor Ahmed sends back a set Karim Jannat, who looked very dangerous. Let's have a look.
See, this is what we were talking about. He completely got it wrong. I think it's the LBW. He's showing the bat, it hit his hand. Completely baffled by that being there.
Now is that a welcome boundary? A thick edge and a diving fielder down at the deep will not be able to stop it. So the runs should keep coming. Boost defenders have won the toss and have decided to chase whatever target is set in this semi-final kind of a game. Look at this. A healthy edge runs down to the boundary.
See, now what we need to try and understand is at which...
Now this is fine. 4 runs, probably after bowling a brilliant ball, this time erring it into his line, bowling it to his pads. And this is a gift.
Just looking to push it through a little bit quicker. I'm wondering whether he was searching for spin from around that area. Sometimes bowlers do that. When you find one delivery turning off, say, outside the...
هم ډګر ساتونکي لیدل کیږي. دا ځل بیا هم بال ځي د تھرډ مین باونډرۍ څخه بهر د څلورو منډو لپاره. د نصیر خان په وړاندې څلوریزه د لوبډل مشر حشمت الله شاهدي له بیټ څخه.
بالکل که وګورو دغه دواړه لوبغاړي که په روانه لوبه کې ملګرتیا کوي نو مقابل لوبډلې ته یو ښه هدف ورکولی شي او د دواړو لپاره دغه لوبه ډیره زیاته مهمه ده تر څو پکې بریا ترلاسه کړي. خو وګورو حشمت چې لا له وړاندې میدان ته د بیټ لپاره راغلی څه ډول مخکې تګ کوي.
باید خطر واخیستل شي. سکوایر لیګ د بال لوبېدو نه وروسته یوه منډه اخیستل کیږي او دې سره د لوبډل مشر ځانګړی اوسي.
بالکل وګورو یو ځل بیا د غټ شاټ هڅه سیده دغه بال یو ځل بیا له باونډرۍ څخه بهر د څلورو منډو لپاره سر په سر دویمه څلوریزه ده د دغه ځوان آصف موسازي له بیټ څخه. د بالونو او د منډو ترمنځ فاصله راکموي دغلته. بهترینه شاټ په سمه توګه دغه بال راواخیست.
سازي له لوري ځکه چې تقریبا ډیت اورونو ته کې سره رسېدلې شپل کیږي بال سویپ شوی او نتیجه یې هم د شپږو منډو د همداسې ویلې دنې لپاره سترګې په لاره وې او آصف موسازي شپږیزه ترلاسه کړه.
بالکل آصف مسازی په دغسې شاټونو مشهور دی او د ده په بیټ کې دغسې شاټونه شته. کله چې لوس بال ترسره کیږي د ده په وړاندې دای نو بیا رحم نه کوي په بالرانو او دغه
Hashmatullah Shahid out there in the middle, well set on 54 runs that been played uppishly and over the infield and away for 4 runs. Excellent execution of that shot from Asif Musazi.
See, that's what I'm saying, the master stroke, because this is not a power hit. This is actually a hit with the understanding of the gaps. He knows where the gap is. So what he does is he opens the face late enough, nicely, to make sure that he manufactures that gap for himself to score a boundary. This is good batting, seriously good batting from Asif Musaza. Now this is interesting over for me because the skipper wants to and should be attacking Nasir, who's been given the over number 18. Straight away you see the game awareness. I see a big overs alert from the intentions of the Bandi Amir Dragons, but sometimes things can fire back. It's a good start to start with a boundary. Can they cash it out? Can they get 15 plus from?
It will be a massive over. He's already scored a boundary of the first delivery, but Nasir Khan came back really well. That could have been a direct hit, could have been very much interesting.
I think it is a direct hit, Hakeem, and I think he's out.
TV
So out
umpire
of
to
nowhere,
director is a
they've
review
got
for the
themselves
run
a
out.
break
Can
too.
you show me your best side on angles? Is the bowler in, please?
I tell you, Ramach is always
Stand by.
out there to hit the stumps directly.
Forward, 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 forward. Okay. Okay, thank you. I'm satisfied. Ball hit the stumps and batter is still short of his ground. I'm ready to make my decision. My decision for the big screen is...
And here comes the confirmation. Here comes the last.
Pulling back right with the bowler, he will start running. Watch. There you go. Oh, this time around he waits because he believes this one should be deposited for a maximum. Much needed boundary from the batter of a well set Hashmatullah Shahidi.
What a strike that was from Hashmatullah Shahidi. Out of nowhere. He middles one perfectly and deposits one out of the ground. Look at that. It was in the slot and was there to be hit. And the skipper, Hashmatullah Shahidi, swiveled across the line and Farid Ahmad charging in. Once again, that's been played. There is a protection in the deep, Hazratullah Azazai. Oh, they're asking for it. Abdul Hadi Salarzai. I think Hashmatullah Shahidi has struggled to get home and has lost his wicket in the process.
Siddiqul Apache walking down to the skipper. I think he forced that run. Shahidi maybe didn't want it, and he's not even in the frame. Siddiqul Apache was forcing for it. Will have to then cover for it. Plus, you have been batting there for so long. But what an innings this has been. This is the run out. He's not in the frame. Hashmatullah Shahidi, and clean collection and beautifully done by Abdul Hadi. Hazratullah Zazai sending out that throw and very happy with the wicket.
And straight away, high up in there, and Darvesh Rasuli takes one at mid-off. It's all happening here in Kabul. Back-to-back wickets for the post defenders.
Well, forcing that extra run has actually cost them 2 deliveries to say, because one, they were only able to take one. Siddiq Pacha is not under strike. Hashmatullah Shahidi departed, and now Nangyal Harotai making no contribution whatsoever at all, departs back. 150 up though, 150 for 5.
It was easy peasy catch for Darvesh Rasuli at mid-off.